Hey, how you doing? This is Tom. This is Tom's Radio Room Show. And I got an email a couple of days ago about something that was posted on this website. And I used to use this website a lot, and I forgot about it. I just totally slipped my mind. I haven't been on it in months, maybe a year. This is eham.net, and it's a plethora of information for ham operators and shortwave listeners, or anybody just kind of thinking about getting into that hobby. Lots of information, just it's being posted every second. It's unbelievable. So there's product reviews that kind of caught my eye. Come down here, and these are the latest ones. Okay, click on this and you can see the full listing. And this is sorted by name. So you can, and these are categories, like different kinds of antennas, um, ham logging software, ham software slash amps other than logging, receiver coverage, just weather stations. So I'm going to click on that one. Just, oh my gosh, look at all this stuff. Oh, these are weather stations that people have reviewed. Now, some of these are, like this goes back to 2011. There's a 2009. So this place is just chock full of information. Let's see, there's a Radio Shack wireless thermometer posted in 2008. I'm just going to click on that one for the heck of it. Whoops, I clicked on the wrong one. Let's go back. Oh, fumble fingers. Radio Shack. Oh yeah, I have one of those. So these, and there's multiple reviews of these from various people who use this website. So there's 2 reviews. See if I can find one a little more popular. I'm not sure. This one used to be a popular. 2017 was the latest post. High price junk. Yeah, I never wrote. Look at this. Lots of information. Oh my gosh. I don't know if you can do. Let me just look real quick here. Yeah. Here's a search. You can do a search. Okay, let's go back. And we'll go back. This is the main page again. This is eham.net. Here's classifieds. You can click on this. So there's 2 that were just posted. There's a ham fest in Tampa. I forgot about that. Let's see if I can get a ride to that ham fest. There's a Collins receiver. This is a, doesn't tell you. Looks like a transceiver. There's a Eaton Elite Executive. Charging $100. Seems a little high. Of course, you can bargain with these people. There's an expensive TS 890, $32.50. If you want to buy me one of those, I'd appreciate it. Yeah, right. Okay, let's go back. So that's classified. There's forums about different things. There's news. Pearl Harbor commemoration events. Of course, that was yesterday. There are zombie satellites swirling above your head. I should read that. What the heck is that about? And then here's articles people have written and submitted. Let's just kind of look and see how many. Oh, here's spots where amateur operators report that they had communications. And this is, of course, again, just the top level. You click on the title here and it shows you in depth all of them. What was I going to look at? I was going to look at articles. Articles. Let's see what I got in. Oh my gosh. Look at all this information. I mean, you could spend hours and hours catching up. Wow. And like I say, these are all posted, I guess, mainly by amateur operators. I don't know. I think I'm a member because I am a ham. But I doubt if I remember my login. But as you can see, you don't have to log in to read this information. You probably do have to log in or register to post things and to reply to posts and stuff like that. So probably have to do that. Anyway, check it out, eham.net. If nothing else, you can just read the articles and stuff like that. If you enjoyed this show, please give me a thumbs up. Tells me I'm giving you some content that you're interested in and not just wasting your time. Have a great day. Bye-bye.